Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will guide you how to connect your Kaufland store with 4Seller. Now 4Seller support you authorize your Kaufland store to fulfill orders. In 4Seller, there are two entrances to integrate with eBay. Entrance 1. On the home page, you can click the More icon to enter the store authorization page. Entrance 2. Click Shop Manage in Settings, and then click the Kaufland shop icon to enter the store authorization page. Step 1. Log in your Kaufland.German backend and obtain authorization information. Click Setting Find Shop Settings and select API button. Click Generate New API Keys and the page will generate the client key and secret key. Please copy them. And go back to the 4Seller backend, choose the Setting and Find Shop Manage button and choose Kaufland to add Kaufland store. Here please fill out the custom shop name and paste the information you copied, then click Connect button. And after authorization, you can log in 4Seller to manage your store. You can delete or edit custom name. You can also check the shop status. Active means the store has been authorized to 4Seller successfully. If the status become inactive later, please try to reconnect. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.